1, 2, 3, 4.
It gives me some additional height, or sort of allows me to have not additional height.
What is it? Careful.
Look.
It's a dog show in the Hoya. What's the name of the town? Hoya.
I took notice of something, and this maybe is like a little bit, how do I say this? So, event number 1 is in the books, on the books, in the history books.
We got to hear all the information about how she gets... What the hell happened there? Our next activity is an Enumclaw.
Enumclaw.
Say it?
Enumclaw.
Enumclaw. Our next activity is an Enumclaw. Our next activity is an Enumclaw. And so tonight we're going to be staying...
We need her to be not good versions. That's a lot to ask. And so in her absence, this is what we degrade to. And I don't know. I mean, maybe next step is divorce.
Or another dog.